bago pa nag-umpisa ang impeachment hearing, may boto na yung mga yan eh. The impeachment is not a legal process. It is a political process. That is the reality of it. This will not be decided along yung mga legal arguments and evidence. This will be decided along political line. Ang prosecution and the majority right now, I call them the BBM 13, this is their dilemma. They do not have sufficient number to impeach, to remove Sara Duterte, to declare her guilty. Because they needed 16, they only have 13. Sabi ko nga, ma-imagine mo ba na itong mga Tulfo brothers ay i-acquit si Sara Duterte after everything that they have said? Could you imagine na si Senator Robin Padilla will vote to convict si Sara Duterte? It's not, di ba? It's not possible. That's craziness kung isipin niyo yan. So para kanino ngayon itong impeachment nito? Ang impeachment nito ay para sa iyo, para sa akin, sa lahat ng mga nanonood. To impress us na ito si Sara Duterte, ang ating Vice Presidente, ay mayroong kasalanan. Kaya nga sinasabi ko na I think that this is nothing but a propaganda campaign